our dedicated route. It's on a Tuesday. Every Tuesday we have this route. We drive to Wilmer, Texas, and we pick up at Sprouts, and we drop off at a local church that's probably 8 miles from this Sprouts warehouse. So this is a really good route for us, y'all. We're blessed with this opportunity as well to have this every Tuesday. We're trying to work our way and getting it Friday as well. So hopefully we continue to provide them with good customer service so we can secure another day. We're back again, out here hustling today on a Tuesday. We are at our dedicated route. We're in Wilmer, Texas, and we just wanted to show y'all today how we run these dedicated routes and how they're set up. Like I said, this is a blessing to have this dedicated route. The reason why we did receive this route is because we were kind to the broker. We did a great job, on time delivery, and if any issues came about, we communicated with the broker. That's really how you try to secure these routes with these brokers. And like I said before in the comments, you need to at least have, I would say, 10 brokers in your phone and contacting them every day to make sure that they remember your name. Okay, so y'all, they are loading us up now. We don't have to touch the freight when we go pick it up. This is a no-touch freight when we pick up, but when we get to the drop-off location, we do have to have a driver assist at the drop-off location because, like I said, this is a local church, and these are donations. So Sprout is donating all type of different food products to this local church, and once we get to the drop-off location, we do assist by taking the pallets off and sitting them down on the sidewalk.
It's one of those routes where you can't go in the facility. So when you pull out, they don't have a seal on it, so you can just double check and make sure everything's secure, like your dolly, and make sure things not tilting over, because sometimes they seem to throw it in there. So you just check it out and, you know, strap it down.
Yeah, because last time we actually had an issue where they did not load these pallets correctly. So when we pull off, we always try to look inside of the trailer, especially if they don't have a seal, because we need to know what we're carrying and how we're carrying it to the drop-off location, because we don't want to mess when we get to the drop-off location. All right, y'all, we are checking to make sure that everything that they put on here is on here secure and nothing is tilted and on the floor. Just trying to make sure they put the pallets on correctly. So Nay is checking it out before we pull off. Everything look good? Look like they can fall. Whatever those are, those green peas, okra or something. Think it's good? Huh? Yeah, won't go too far. Like we told y'all, we only have an 8-mile drive, so we should be there shortly. So no issues this time. But always check your load if it's not sealed, just to make sure that they load it correctly. All right, y'all, we are at the local church in Wilmer, Texas, about to drop off. Need to take those off of here. just place it over there. So we have a lot of more pallets on here. What we got? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They got all type of stuff on here today. But this is a good thing they're doing. They're donating to the community.
That was good. Teamwork make the dream work, they say. Look at that. On to the next.
We are done and we have the pallets lined up. We're about to get the BOL sign and head to our next pickup. All right, y'all, we are in Dallas. This is our second pickup. We just left Wilmer, Texas. Now we're picking up in Dallas, Texas. About to get loaded up. No touch freight, so we won't have to touch anything. We just wanted to tune back in with you guys to let y'all know we are at our second pickup. All right, y'all, well, we are here, drop-off location, and we're trying to figure out what's going on. We're actually at like some apartment complexes, so not sure what's gonna happen here. It looked like it's a little office, so we thought we were going to a warehouse. So I just want to let y'all know this is what you can get sometimes. It's not always a warehouse to warehouse. So right now we're at the apartment complex, and somebody's about to bring a little forklift, I guess, out and get this stuff off. So we're gonna see how this goes. Going on at this apartment complex, a lot of construction. So we're gonna see what's going on here. We're dropping these pallets off. Yes, can you hear me? I thought it was usually like 75 or something like that. That's how much we usually get paid. I thought it was a standard rate.
What do you video?
Oh, I got the YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I know, right?
That's fun.
That's fine. Yes, we can work that out. We can do that. Okay, thank you, sir. All right, have a good one. Okay. And these are the pallets that I was telling y'all about that's non-standard. Sometimes you will get these long pallets on there, and it is definitely a beast to get off. So most of the time, if they don't have some type of forklift or anything like that, you're gonna have to unload this by hand, one by one, piece by piece. We are done. We're loading all the pallets over there. All right, guys, we just completed our second delivery. Everything went well. They did have to assist, so you know what I did. I called the TQL and I told them, hey, we need driver assist. So anytime that you have to take some pallets off your truck and you're helping them take it off, especially if you're doing it one by one, taking boxes off the pallet, get your money. The standard pay is sometimes like $75 to $100. So always ask for your money. We got ours. That's one tip I wanted to let you know. And I think that's all we're gonna do today. We're not gonna do any more routes today because we have a very, very early morning. We're gonna do 2 Amazon routes in the morning. So we're gonna show y'all that as well. Show y'all how we do our Amazon relay. But other than that, y'all, we done for today. We're not gonna book any more routes. We did two and done. So peace and love.
And keep on trucking.